Uh-oh! The farmyard and zoo have turned into a squishy, slippery playground after a big rainstorm. Curious cows, playful pigs, and even mighty elephants have gotten themselves stuck in gooey mud puddles, and they need your little one's help to escape. This delightful, messy adventure is perfect for toddlers who love animals, sensory play,
Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings. Snakes are legless reptiles, but they evolved from ancestors that had limbs. Some species, like pythons and boas, still retain small vestigial limbs called spurs. Snakes have highly flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Black bears are found across North America, from Canada and Alaska to Mexico, and from the Atlantic to the Pacific coasts. Black bears have an exceptional sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a dog's, and they rely on it to locate food. Black bears are omnivorous, with a diet that includes berries, nuts, insects. Flamingos inhabit parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean. They thrive in warm, watery environments like lagoons, estuaries, and salt flats. Flamingos create cone-shaped nests out of mud, stones, and feathers. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts, making them the fastest land animal. Cheetahs rely more on stealth and speed rather than strength, as they aren't the strongest predators. Cheetahs have semi-retractable claws that provide extra grip for high-speed chases. Gorillas have captured human imagination and are often featured in literature, movies, and conservation campaigns. They symbolize strength, intelligence, and the importance of protecting wildlife. Gorillas build nests daily from leaves and branches to sleep in. They usually construct new nests each night. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows. with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures. Monkeys are highly intelligent animals. They are known for their problem-solving skills, use of tools, and complex social behaviors. Monkeys are social animals and often live in groups called troops or tribes. These groups can range from a few individuals to several hundred, depending on the species. Moose are found in the northern regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in boreal and mixed deciduous forests. Often near lakes, rivers, or wetlands, moose are preyed upon by wolves, bears, and occasionally cougars. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Including the tail, tigers are classified as endangered, with fewer than 4,000 individuals left in the wild. Roosters are famous for their loud crowing, which serves as a territorial call to announce their presence and ward off rivals. They can crow at any time of day, not just at dawn. Roosters play a key role in establishing the pecking order within a flock. Sheep are highly social animals and prefer to stay in flocks. They feel stressed and vulnerable when separated from the group. Sheep have excellent memories and can recognize up to 50 individual sheep and humans for years. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated, around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are highly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of environments, from mountains to deserts. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh between 900 to 1,600 pounds, 410 to 725 kilograms, and measure up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length. Females are smaller, typically weighing between 330 to 650 pounds. Ducks have a special gland near their tails called the preen gland, which produces oil. They spread this oil over their feathers to make them waterproof, allowing them to float and stay dry. Ducks are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including plants, Camels can survive without water for up to 10 days in extreme heat. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels can withstand body temperatures ranging from 93 degrees Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius, without sweating. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth, with males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and females up to 14 feet, 4.3 meters tall. Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and from tall trees, especially acacia trees. Horses were domesticated around 4000 to 3500 BCE, likely on the steppes of Central Asia. They have played a crucial role in human history. From transportation and agriculture to warfare and sport, horses communicate through vocalizations. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They prefer to graze in the early morning and late afternoon. Lions are the most social of all big cats. They live in groups called prides, which usually consist of related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. Lions are highly territorial and mark their territory with scent markings and roaring. A pride's territory can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey. Lions are often referred to as the king of the jungle. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. African elephants can weigh up to 6 to 7 tons, 12,000 to 14,000 pounds, and stand up to 10 to 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Asian elephants are slightly smaller. Elephants have a long lifespan, typically living 60 to 70 years in the wild. Some elephants have been known to live even longer in captivity. Reindeer are found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in tundra, boreal forests, and mountainous habitats. Reindeer are known for their long migrations, some traveling over 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers annually, the longest migration of any land mammal. They move between summer and winter grazing grounds to find food and avoid harsh weather.
Watch as your child's eyes light up while they pull their favorite furry or scaly friends to safety, learning animal names, sounds, and even colors along the way. From the oink of a muddy pig to the trumpet of a splashing elephant,